Now, these are the visuals of major offensive launched by the army against a big group of Lashkar terrorists that continues to hide in the Handwara forest. So far, 5 terrorists have been killed while 2 soldiers have been critically injured in the fierce gun battle. And this gun battle continues with 4 to 5 more terrorists who are engaged with the army. According to army sources, there are 2 more anti-terror operations that are underway in Lolab and Tangdar, as there are intel inputs that a big group of Lashkar terrorists has scattered themselves in this forest area. Let's listen into the reaction coming in from the army.
Today, in the thick jungles of Hafruda forest in Handwara area, 5 foreign terrorists of LET Tanjeem have been killed. 5 AK-47, under-barrel grenade launcher, ammunition, substantial quantity, radio set and other warlike stores have also been recovered. Operation in Hafruda forest started on 29 July and was conducted by Counterinsurgency Force Kilo.
Fareed is joining us on the story. Fareed, the total number of terrorists killed with this operations and various anti-infiltration and insurgency operation has now come to 10 in the last 5 days. We see a lot of terrorist activity being carried out in the valley. What is the situation on the ground now?
Well, the situation continues in the sense that the army is continuing with its major anti-militancy offensive in the Hafruda forest. Now, I can tell you that it is a joint operation of 21 Rashtriya Rifles and 6 Rashtriya Rifles, and on an intelligence tip-off about the presence of a big group of Lashkar militants, the army had launched this operation on the 29th of July. And it continued, and in fact, right now I can tell you it is continuing with around another 4 to 5 Lashkar militants who are still hiding in the forest area. They're engaging the army, but so far 5 of them have been killed in the encounter. A huge cache of arms and ammunition has been recovered, and in fact, according to some sources, this could be a group which could have recently infiltrated and were trying to reach the hinterland when they were stopped in their tracks by the army. Now there are 2 more operations that are underway as I speak to you. One in Lolab, where again some militants are hiding in the forest area, and the army has launched the offensive, while another one is taking place in Tangdar. So clearly, it seems a big group of Lashkar militants has scattered themselves in this forest area, which is interconnected, but the army on their hot trail, and in fact 5 of them have been killed, while another 4 to 5 are engaging the army in a fierce gun battle right now as I speak to you. A huge cache of arms and ammunition has also been recovered, while on the other side, if you talk of the LOC army on the highest alert, considering that there are credible intelligence inputs about the fact that some more group of militants may try to infiltrate. And in fact, so far their modus operandi has been that they have tried to really sneak in using darkness as cover, but the army is alert on the borders, and in fact this operation in the hinterland again, really factor that, in fact, an example that really illustrates that fact. Back to you.
Fareed, also tell us about the condition of the soldiers. We understand 2 soldiers have been critically injured in this operation.
Well, yes, 2 soldiers of the 21 Rashtriya Rifles have been injured in this encounter. In fact, according to army sources, they have been shifted to Srinagar for specialized treatment, and in fact, their condition is said to be stable as of now. But yes, a major offensive, considering that, according to some sources, it was a big group of Lashkar militants who were armed to their teeth, and in fact, they cleverly scattered themselves, in the Hafruda forest and the neighboring forests, and that's why, just to ensure that they stretched the army. But yes, the army is on their hot trail, and in fact 5 of them have been killed in this operation so far. Huge cache of arms and ammunition also recovered, and in fact all the units of the army all along the LOC have been put on the highest alert, considering that there could be a surge in infiltration in the coming days.